when I react. But you see, whatever you do inside the house, my humble request to all the honorable members, we have to be guided by the book, by the, by the rules of procedure and conduct of business, that we are always being guided by that. Right from 1972 till now, till we have been guided by the rule of procedure and conduct of business. So I think, you know, how you use the language, how you use the wording, I think it's very, very important that it should be accordance to the rules, because in the rules it already specified everything. How you present yourself, how you talk, how you use the wording. If it is unparliamentary, then we have to, we have to explain. If again it is, a personal attack to any honorable member again inside the house, until less you have the, you have the substantial evidence in the sense that the court has already condemned or the court has convicted or this, that, then only you can say something. Otherwise, just, just come to a conclusion by saying that, like that, like that. I think that is not fair.
What is the status of the FIR against the minister?
Well, I'm not aware, because see, that too, I don't know. Once the FIR is registered, means the case will take its own course. So, because just today only I came to know that the FIR has been filed. So since the FIR has been filed, nobody can disturb that. Let the inquiry start.
So, but the claim of the party is that the law is not equal for ministers and all. Action is not being taken. Hence, they feel that it should be on record that they boycott the education minister.
That's why they took it on.
I think, you see, rather doing a drama like this over here, I think it's good that you meet the government. Yeah? You can even come and meet me, because see, for this kind of FIR, we cannot just say to the IO or to the police station that, hey, don't register or do this, because again they have to follow as per the law. So I cannot say that just because I'm the home in charge means I can do anything, I can manipulate anything. It's not like that. So it seems the mindset is like that, as if whatever we do means because you are from the opposition, because you are from the PPP, whatever you do, even if it is the the case which is justified or which is right, why should we intervene, and why should we interfere? So that this kind of mindset should not be there. We have to really work together with the government machinery, whoever, whatever, in what level. I think that is important. As I said to you, I cannot myself, being in charge home, to manipulate or to order my IO or to my police in charge, OC or whoever, to say that, hey, please don't register. That is not possible. I cannot, and this is the modern world that we live in.
So we also want to take your reaction. We have seen recently the opposition TMC, Dr. Mukul Sangma. He has demanded that investigation should be conducted in regards to the allegations made by the Congress chief Vincent Pala, where he said that the NPP has been using illegal money to poach on MLAs of other parties.
Okay, again, see, if he's saying that, again, the law is there. Go file FIR or go to the appropriate legal body. Let them step in and investigate. Because, just a mere allegation by saying that, oh, Preston maybe has already, paid this X amount or B amount or whatever to Shri so and so honorable MLA this that. I think that is totally wrong. So what I'm trying to tell you is, see, allocation is allocation. I don't know, he said investigation. What investigation? Better you initiate. No? If you have some kind of doubts, there are agencies where you can go, file and submit your petition, then those agencies can take up the matter and then they will come to a conclusion.